I want you to have a copy of our new book, the Entrepreneur Real Estate Workbook. This workbook is going to give you everything in depth on what you need to know on how to get started investing in real estate and how to take advantage of many multiple exit strategies to make sure that you always get a deal done. Here's why I want to give it to you. I want to give it to you because there's a lot of people out there who don't know the exact steps or how to get started, or they're under some sort of false belief that they need all the capital in the world to invest in real estate, and it's just not true. You don't need capital. You don't need to have $1 million. You don't need to have years and years and years of experience. You can get started investing in real estate today, and this workbook is going to walk you through exactly how to do that. Now, we sell this workbook for $25, but today I'm going to give it to you for free. I've already paid for the printing of all these books, and all I ask that you do is pay for the shipping and handling so that I can ship it to you. All you have to do is click the button below, give me your address, and I'll ship this book right to you. Now, I want to show you what's inside here and what you'll learn by getting the workbook and watching the live recording of the real estate workshop. First thing I want to show you is the basics and the rules. The basics and the rules are going to teach you the entrepreneur method. This is the steps on how to find a deal and how to identify a deal. That way you know that you got a good deal and you'll never lose money on deals. Walk you through how real estate builds wealth. It'll tell you the different types of entrepreneur real estate assets. It'll teach you the entrepreneur team members. These are key team members that you have to have on your team and you have to have good relationships with if you want to be successful investing in real estate. Real estate investing is not a solo sport. It's a team sport and you need good team members. It's going to teach you all the different exit strategies. It's going to teach you the deal requirements. It's going to teach you the deal flow and the exact steps of taking a deal from start to finish. Then we're going to go into finding deals. How to identify opportunity and value, knowing your market, where to find deals. It's going to teach you factors of deal analysis, the buy and hold formula, seller finance formula, the wholesale formula, and the fix and flip formula. These formulas are going to be crucial for you to memorize. That way, anytime you find a deal, you'll be able to run it through and see which one works. Then we got a bunch of exercises that you run through to teach you how to analyze these deals so that you have a lot of good practice, teach you about financing, and teach you about finding partners. Now, I can't go through everything in this book right now, but I wanted to show you just a few things that you'll get when you get this book and you get the real estate workshop. Now, you're not only going to get this and the live recording when you get this offer today. We're also going to give you 5 other free bonuses. The first bonus that we're going to give you is a recording of a live webinar that we did to teach you how to invest in real estate with $0. There's a lot of creative ways to make money in real estate, and you don't have to have money to make money necessarily. In this webinar, we teach you everything that you need to know on how to find deals, how to negotiate deals, and different creative ways that you can find to take down deals in order to invest in real estate, even if you got no money. The second bonus that we're giving you is another live webinar that we recorded, and this is how to thrive in the recession that we're in. As we go through a downturn in the economy and the economy goes into a recession, it is a crucial time to not contract, but instead you need to expand and start going after deals. This is where some of the best deals can be found. So in this webinar, we talk about how to find deals in a recession, who you should be contacting, what has changed, what you need to look for, how to negotiate them, and how to find good deals even when we're going through a recession. Now, the next 3 free bonuses that I'm giving you are 3 courses. The first one is a Know Your Market course. This course is going to teach you how to know your market, what to look for in a market. That way you always find the best markets to buy in order to produce cash flow. The second free course we're giving you is a course on finding great contractors. Contractors are a crucial team member, whether you're buy and hold rentals, whether you're fixing and flipping, whether you're wholesaling deals, or anything regarding investing in real estate, you have to have good contractors on your team. This course is going to teach you how to find these contractors, how to interview these contractors, and how to locate and vet through the bad ones to find the good ones in order to add them to your real estate team. Now, last but not least, the last free course that we're giving you is a course called Lead Generation Tools. This course is going to show you exactly what tools you need to generate leads, different softwares, how to set them up, what these softwares do, and how to put these softwares together so that you can start generating leads in a more efficient way and get more deals into your pipeline. Now, once again, this is all free. All I ask for you to do is pay for shipping and handling. I only need one thing, and it's your address. Click that button below, give me your address, I'll ship you this book, and you'll get all of the free bonuses. There's over $500 worth of value, and I'm giving it to you today for free. All I need is your shipping address so that I can send this to you. There's no catch. There's no annual membership involved. I'm not going to try and get more money from you on the back end. All I ask for you to do is pay for the shipping and handling, and you get all this stuff for free. And the reason I'm doing this is it's my way of saying thank you. Thank you for being a dedicated follower. Thank you for clicking on my ad. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for checking out our content. And I want you to get this information so that you can start your investing career today. Now, I paid for the cost of printing these, getting them made. I've got the hard copies here, But we don't just print out 1,000,000 copies of these. We've only got a limited amount. We usually print out about 1,000, maybe 2,000 of these copies, but once they're gone, they're gone. I don't just have a warehouse full of these. It'd be extremely expensive. So there's only a limited amount and you have to act now. If you want one of these before they sell out, then go ahead, get it today, click the button, send me your address, and I'll ship you the book. But this won't last forever and these will sell out and they won't be available for forever. If this landing page is up and you're seeing this ad and you're watching this video, it means that there is still time, so go ahead and grab one before they're all gone. Now, one last thing just to show you that I'm dead serious about this offer and I know that you're gonna get value from it. If you get this book, you pay for the shipping and handling, the $9.97, and you go through the workbook, you watch the real estate workshop presentation, you go through the free courses, and you watch the webinars. If you feel like you've received zero value, I will return your $9.97, give it back to you, and you don't even have to pay for shipping or send me anything back. I'll give you your money back. It's how confident I am that you're gonna get a tremendous amount of value from this. Just send us an email and we'll send you your money back, no questions asked. Cool, does that sound good? Well, all you have to do is click the button down below, give me your address, and I'll ship you this book for free. Just pay for the shipping and handling. I'm very excited for you to get this in your hands, and I'm very excited for you to start your real estate investing journey.